Okay, so I am trying to open this S Pen, so that also it's not coming. I think it's stuck inside, so I don't know what to do. Okay, that also is gone. Now this is the 5G SIM which we have bought Airtel. It's showing the network, but even if we on the internet, there is no internet. It's saying you cannot connect. It says can't connect to internet. Don't know what is happening. It doesn't work with Geo SIM. The Geo SIM, nothing is working. Can't connect to internet.